खुश बयां ऐसे कि जादुई असर रखते हैं। कोई फन बाकी नहीं, इल्मो हुनर रखते हैं। हम किसी का ना कोई खौफो खतर रखते हैं। दिल बला का, कयामत का जोरो जिगर रखते हैं।
The sleepy hamlets of Balnoi, Sagra and Mankot in the Krishna Ghati sector of Punch at dawn, almost like a land that time forgot. But cradling within them the aspirations of a youth, straining to be free from the challenges of poverty, illiteracy and lack of opportunity. It is to give wings to the aspirations of these 7 young girls and 9 boys of Balnoi and Mender that the Krishna Ghati Brigade of the Indian Army is harnessing their youthful energies and exuberance to summit Mount Stoke Kangri in Ladakh, a 6,120-meter massif not yet scaled by such a young group whose average age is just 17 years. Trained over a period of 2 months at Balnoi by experienced mountaineers of 1 Mahar regiment under the watchful eyes of captains Sachin and Manisha Biswal. These young expeditioners, driven by the passion and indomitable spirit and having learnt mountain craft over sheer rock faces, are now raring to assault the daunting mountain face of Mount Stoke Kangri in July 2015. Motivated by senior commanders of the Indian Army to forge together as steel in the face of odds that they might face, and flagged off by the General Officer Commanding Ace of Space Division at Rajouri on 15 July, these young girls and boys carry the spirit of youth and the expectations of entire villages on their young shoulders. Yet, with passion in their hearts and a fire to succeed in their effort, these young mountaineers sally forth to brave their endeavor and surmount challenges en route. Buoyed with the Yuva Shakti and imbued with the spirit of Sadbhavna, these young girls and boys have reposed their faith in the Indian Army to take them to heights unexplored, to make them realize their own potential and to show them that anything is possible if one is willing to work towards it.